boshlanadi har bir so'z. U harfda ulug' zotdir bu dunyoda. Yuragimiz doim sizni sog'inib yashaydi har bir ila onda.
Ustozim bor mehribon, boshimizga soyabon, o'zi juda talabjon, bo'lsin doim sog' omon. Ustozim yuzga kirsin, davru davronlar sursin, hassaga suyanmasdan bizga suyanib yursin.
Ustoz dili bahorim, buloqday beg'uborim, ishongan suyanch tog'im, omon bo'ling ustozim. Aqlimizga nur ziyo, mehribon padar go'yo, berib ta'lim tarbiya, omon bo'ling ustozim. Komil Alloh bag'roni, yuksatuvchi vatanni, millatning sharaf shoni, omon bo'ling ustozim. Siz ustozsiz, onasiz, sharafdan yagonasiz, mehrdan zo'r daryosiz, tabdan cheksiz daryosiz. Onajon ustozlar, jonajon ustozlar, mehribon ustozlar, sizlarga ta'zim. So'zlaringiz mehrli, ko'zlaringiz sehrli, ulug' yo'lga boshlaysiz, barkamollik tilaysiz. Onajon ustozlar, jonajon ustozlar, mehribon ustozlar, sizlarga ta'zim. Ilm sirrin o'rgatgan tinmay, charchoq nimaligini sezmay, xizmatlaringizni aslo unutmay, sizlarni ardoqlayman ustozlarim. Onamizdek mehr berdingiz, xuddi farzanddek ko'rdingiz, nodonlarni ham inson bildingiz. Sizlarni ardoqlayman ustozlarim. Onamizdek teng mehringiz, e'zozlanar nomingiz, shogirdlar kuylagay madhingiz. Sizlarni ardoqlayman ustozlarim.
Qo'lga qalam tutqazib, dilga surur solgansiz, sho'xlik qilib ba'zida kuyingansiz, qolgansiz. Ustoz otangdek ulug' topib aytilgan so'z bu. Siz vatan kelajagini namoyon etar ko'zgu.
Sizni duo bilan islaymiz biz. Sizga nomin qo'yib har bir yutuğimiz, har bir muvaffaqiyatimiz ustoz faoliyatidan bir faruz bilan.
Yok, Muhiddin kim?
Guten Tag, sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. Herzlichen Glückwunsch und Schluss. Heute endet ein wichtiger Lebensschritt und ein neuer Beginn. Ich danke meiner Lehrerin Irada Madamina für ihre Sorge und Wissen. Our teacher gave the teacher those contains in the whole. She handed extra homework, those artwork also.
We saw 4 point a finger at a bumper and a cigar. She said there, but we said was complexive out of line.
Principal approached her and said, "What is all this fuss? I heard you tried to punish all the tires on us. You have made the teachers angry by depressing all this time. So if you can keep this job, you have to wear your glasses."
You are the heart of every classroom, the soul of every school. The need behind the message that learning is cool. Your fight and understanding cannot be undersold. Your courage and communique. It's a blended of.
Each day you teach our children, isn't it? They too rejoice because of you. Our children will have their own voice.
Oh, thank you, dear teacher, for passing through the years. You proved you really teaching when you nation. Thank you. A great teacher is provided with you make learning fun. You help me grow into the student that I am now. I look forward to going to